everyone, this is Neeti and you're at Odd Stories YouTube channel. As promised, I mentioned if ever I will get a vaccination slot, I'll definitely share my vaccination journey with you. I'll create a vlog on that. So today we are going to witness my vaccination journey. But before that, let me tell you, it was super interesting. My vaccination journey was like this. You'll get to know in the vlog why. I'll just start it here. Well, what happened was whenever you want to book a slot for Apollo, it opens on Monday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. On Monday it opens for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and on Thursday it opens for Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. But what happened was when I booked last Thursday, I thought I must be booking because you actually just start pressing those buttons without realizing what date, what time slot you're selecting, because if you get into the nitty-gritty, then you end up not getting a slot. So I blindsidedly just started booking my slot, and when I got my message of booking, I was like, yippee! But then I read that I booked my slot for Thursday itself for 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. slot, and it was already 5:35 p.m. and I was like, what am I going to do? So that's the whole story you're going to listen to, and also you're going to witness my post-vaccination condition. How did I feel? Did I get fever? What was my feelings? You'll get to know everything in this vlog, so I hope you enjoy. Let's just get to it. Okay, strange things happened with me. I finally got my vaccination slot today, and the weirdest thing was I got it for today itself for 3 to 6, and that too I got at 5:30 p.m. So obviously I wasn't ready for that, but I mean, I got my slot, I can't miss it. So it's already 7:10. I don't know whether I'll be able to get my first jab or not. But I did speak to Apollo Hospital. They said you can be there by till 8, but try and come as soon as possible. So I'm already late. It's 7:15. I am leaving for my jab and I'll keep you posted. How did it turn out to be? I'm so late. I can't even tell you guys. I'm just running to make sure that I finally get my slot and I finally get my first jab. So I'm just running. Swapnil is there. He's waiting for me. He was also out today for work. Though we all try and be home, but today he had to go, so he went. Now I'm just trying to get to the center as soon as possible and see if I'll be able to get my slot or not. Okay, this was super classy. I got my slot for today, as I mentioned, for 6. And I reached here by 7:30 because I got my slot at 5:30 for 3 to 6. So I requested them. They've been super nice and they arranged something for me. I've been given the last slot. And another interesting thing was when they started to punch my number in to see like when did I register and how did I turn out to be, they still didn't get my number. I again got panicked, but somehow things worked out. Finally, I have my registration done and now I'm getting in to get my jab. And I'm vaccinated. I got my first jab. Now, the current situation is my hand is paining a little, but I think that's normal. And I've been advised that if I feel body ache and feverish, then I should take a paracetamol, Dolo 650. Rest, it was smooth, nice. And I'll keep you posted about what happens after I took Covishield. Quick update, I'm back at my place. Not feeling anything right now. It's too early as well. My arm is paining little bit, but that's like normal. So nothing is happening right now. Just got back home, given my beloved Muffin his food, which he's not eating. So I need to figure out why is he not eating his food. As in for now, no symptoms, no fever, no backache, no body ache, nothing. We'll keep you posted. Me too. That's puffy me in the morning. I had the medicine. What am I feeling right now? Well, I'm a little floaty because I think that's majorly because of medicine. I'm not sure. My arm is aching a little. In fact, both my arms are aching. There's a little bit of body ache. And more like, I don't know if it is psychological or not, but I just don't feel like getting up and doing anything. Whereas we are still in the lockdown, so there's no domestic help. I have to take care of the house, I have to prepare some meals. Let's see where I'll end up. I really wanted to freshen up, take bath, get ready and come in front of the camera, but then I thought I'll just be natural. And the update is currently I have fever. It's 99, not a lot. And my head is aching. It's like literally spinning. As I mentioned earlier, like I'm floating. It's more like, when you have sinus, you have that kind of a pain. That is it. And what else? Body ache. A lot of body ache. I started with the domestic chores. I couldn't do them anymore. So I thought that, I'll just leave them. So I thought of resting. That's the current situation. Arm is aching still. And yeah, lots of body ache. Basically, it's just the way you feel when you feel feverish or when you actually have fever. The same feeling, nothing else. But holding up to it, all good till now. We'll keep you posted and we'll just let you know when I feel better. Quick update. I slept for a couple of hours and I dozed off, got up, dozed off again. It was weird. Now I'm up. Body ache is to another level. I think I should take another Dolo. And headache is still there. Yeah, surviving is just as if you have fever, proper fever, like you have 100 or 101 kind of a fever. That's what you feel. That's what I am feeling. To each is their own. We'll keep you posted. Current update: 100 fever, Dolo taken, green tea taken. Let's see. Actually, we were planning something for tomorrow, not a lot, like going to a friend's place, only 2 more people there. And I really wanted to go because we were going out of the house after a long time together, especially apart from vaccine and other stuff. But let's see, I'm not sure about it today. Okay, day 2 ends here. No more fever, feeling much better after having the paracetamol, and had dinner which was prepared by my partner, and I'm so grateful that I had someone to do that for me today, and feeling much better now. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hi everyone, good morning. Day 3, feeling much better. Almost back to normal, not 100% because my arm is still aching, and I tried to lift a pressure cooker and I couldn't, and that's when I realized, no dude, I still need to take it easy a little today. Rest, no fever, much better. It's just, today I'm feeling that I just want to lie down. I don't want to do a lot of stuff. I started in the morning by preparing some meals, which I was able to do, but post that I took my bath, and now I don't want to work anymore. I just want to sit and relax. It could be the weekend fever as well, but I genuinely had some work to do, so I guess it is still lingering on, but I'm in a much better position. Hey, it's the end of day 3. I'm feeling much better, though there's still some pain in my arm. As I told you, we're going to a friend's place. Only 2 of us will be there and 2 more of our friends. That's it. And so we're going there. I'm feeling much better. That's why I'm going. Little bit of body ache is still there. I thought I'll be just back to normal, but I would say I'm 90% there. Well, that was my vaccination story. I hope you guys enjoyed it and must have got to learn something. If you would like to share it with your friends and family, those who are planning to get vaccinated soon, please do so. And if you love podcasting, if you love to know more about podcasts, please come back to this channel next Wednesday. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.